Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to mount your smartphone to the Karma Grip. So in this setup, you'll get a wider view of your screen. As you can see, I am right-handed, so it's difficult for me to see the screen while I'm recording. On this setup, you'll get a full view on this screen, and you can access easily. So let's start. First, you're gonna need your Karma Grip with GoPro in. Any smartphone, you'll be using Android or iOS phone. I'm using my old iPhone 6. A couple of GoPro pin, phone holder, clip. This included. This is included in the GoPro setup, GoPro box, and you'll be needing one of this. So let's start. First, you're gonna unlock the GoPro so you can insert the pin. I mean the clip. Let's start. First, you have to remove this to insert the clip. Okay, so unlock here the gimbal and then remove this. Okay, and then insert the clip. You have to unlock it first so you can easily insert. Same like this. Okay, and then put it back. And then lock it just like that. So make sure that this clip is at the center of the handle, and then lock it. Okay, need to lock it so it will be tight and sturdy. Okay, so next you'll be needing the phone holder, and add this extra clip on it like this. Okay, and use the extra pin. And then on this clip here from the Karma Grip, you can attach this with the use of the extra pin. Okay, I'm going to do it. There you go. Then lock. Tidy it up. See, it's neat and tidy. See that? Here you can adjust. Easily. And then the last part, you can insert your smartphone on the phone holder. Okay, and then let's switch it on, the Karma Grip. There you go. Make sure, guys, you have downloaded the app in your phone, GoPro app. Okay, this is the app, GoPro app. So you can connect your phone to your GoPro. Let's connect. There you go. See, guys, you can access easily the screen of your GoPro while recording. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please thumbs up, like this video, And if you're new in this channel, please click subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell to notify you for any of my video. Thank you guys. See you.